I did a little bit of shopping at one of my favorite perfect timing for the new nails. It's super cute. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, house hunting, try-ons and hauls, owning your own business, all the things. And today I'm so excited for a fun haul video for you guys. I did a little bit of shopping at one of my favorite stores, LaLa Land, or Dressed in LaLa Land. I'm obsessed with like everything that LaLa Land has. And if you follow me on Instagram at JBethJS, I recently posted some really cute photos of like a matching set that I have from LaLa Land. I have slowly been growing my collection of things that I have from the brand, and I recently did a little shopping at LaLa Land. I spent $315. I got 2 different jackets, and I'm so excited about them. They are definitely a little outside my comfort zone, but they are super cute, super trendy, really fun, unique pieces. That is definitely something that LaLa Land specializes in, is like funky patterns and just really different kind of stuff. So I'm really excited about this because these 2 jackets have caught my eye for quite a while, and I decided to splurge and get them. One of the jackets is in right now. One of them has already been pre-ordered, and it should come in like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna combine this video to show both of the jackets. I'm just filming this one as the first jacket came in, and then as soon as the second one comes in, I will pick up this video and film the rest of the haul. But I'm just so excited. I have my package here. My LaLa Land. I'm so excited. So let's get into this unboxing. We have our package. I'm actually gonna, this is honestly a really great sweatshirt to have on, to try the jacket on with, because it's so thick. So I'm taking it off first so that I can try the jacket on with just a tank top underneath, but then I'll put it back on to see how the jacket fits with a very chunky sweatshirt on underneath, because that'll definitely be just good for me to know how thick can I wear something underneath the jacket. But here is the package. It's so fun. These little UFOs, this little like cat getting beamed up. Greetings from LaLa Land. Ah! It's so fun. This brand is just so cool, you guys. They make such cool stuff. Like, I went onto the site literally yesterday, like just knowing that these things were coming in. And I was like, I feel like I could have picked 10 different things, and like I love them all equally. You know what I mean? Like, I was like, oh, maybe I should have gotten that, or maybe I should have gotten that. And it's just to say, everything is so freaking cute. So what is in this bag? Let me just see here. Oh my God, cute. Okay, firstly, I have this little card. It came with a little card, the alligator. Patient, cunning, fearless. The alligator card represents raw resilience, calculated patience, and fearless determination. This ancient energy bides its time, waiting for the perfect moment to strike with unwavering focus. The alligator urges you to move with intention and trust in your ability to weather any storm. It is a call to hold steady, embrace strategy, and let your strength reveal itself quietly but powerfully. Time to trust the process and harness that fierce, undaunted energy. Okay, that is so fun. My alligator card. You guys, this is so cool. This is honestly so cool to get, like pretty close to my 10 years in business anniversary. I feel like I'm gonna like literally put that in my wallet. Also, this is a card all about returns. This is my little shipping label. Okay, honestly, I'm like really happy with all of this. So let me tell you, what I'm gonna unbox is the LaLa Motors oversized camo denim jacket. I got it in the size small/medium. So here is like, this is all the info that I need for returns if I want to make a return, and then this is the bag, so that's really nice. And then I have a cutie Dressed in LaLa Land sticker. This is adorable. I'm literally about to put this on my journal. This is so cute. So let me put that on my journal and then we'll try on the jacket. Okay, so this is the jacket. As you can see, the bag says LaLa. It is as described, it is a camo denim jacket. It is oversized. Honestly, I don't expect it to look that great with these sweatpants. I expect to wear it more with like jeans or leggings. And it might be too big. It might look silly on me and I might need to return it. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see right now. I think it's super, super cute, but it just looks enormous to me. Like this looks really, really large, and it might be too big. It might just be way too big for me. So I'd love it to look cute, but I'm also not in the business of like forcing, you know what I mean? Like if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, well this is definitely quite large. Oh wait, I've got another button. Okay, I mean, it's huge. But I wouldn't be wearing it with just a tank top on underneath. So honestly, told you guys there was a reason why I was wearing my thick brown crew neck was because I knew this jacket would be big. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I think it's too big, you guys. Oh my God, I'm sad. I wanted this to look cute, but I think, yeah, this looks ridiculous. I look ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna go look in the mirror to confirm, but I mean, it's too big. And that's okay, you know, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. And this was a swing and a miss for me. It's so cute. If I were larger, I think it would look adorable, especially the patch on the back, like the LaLa patch on the back is so cute. I just think this is way too big for me. Let me go look in the mirror though and I'll confirm. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. Okay. Okay, well, we tried, but this needs to go back. And honestly, my credit card is gonna be so thrilled with me. My credit card is going to be so happy because this was a really pricey jacket. Honestly, this was a bit of a splurge. This jacket's like $150. I remember when I got it, I told myself, if you don't absolutely love it, you have to return it because this is a very expensive purchase. So, okay, now that I've got all the things that I need to return it, I'm gonna pack it back up and I'll keep you guys posted when the second jacket comes in. My second jacket is in! We can finish this LaLa Land haul. I'm so excited. Okay, so my LaLa Land jacket is in. Jacket number 2 has arrived. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited to try this on. I already successfully returned our first jacket and have already successfully been refunded for that. So here we have jacket number 2. Oddly, I don't see like a label. They forgot to include the label that says the name of the jacket. So you guys will just have to tell me if you really like this jacket and you're curious to know the name of it. Just shoot me a DM so that I can like track that down. Oh my God, I really hope that it like fits well because I think it's super cute. It's a denim jacket with this fun like fuzzy cheetah detailing around with the collar and then down the middle and then at the bottom and then on the inside, you guys, the full freaking inside. So it's like really warm and then this cutie jean jacket patch. Like how freaking cute. LaLa for the eyes. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's so cute. Because I really hope that this jacket works because the first jacket didn't work and I was kind of sad about it. And like it is what it, oh, it's a snap. Oh, they're not even real buttons, it's snap. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that so much. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. Also, I think my husband's gonna hate this because he like kind of hates cheetah print. So don't know if I'm gonna ask him for his opinion on this. No, it's so soft and thick and warm. And it looks so much cuter than the first one because the first one was way too oversized and this looks like normally oversized. Oh my gosh, I think I love it. I need to go take a look in the mirror, and obviously this is like a very odd outfit for me to try this jacket on. I'm wearing this gray sweatshirt and pink leggings because I just did a workout, but I think it's so cute. Okay, maybe I will ask my husband for his thoughts. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Did you guys hear that? Did you hear that? He said he likes it. Wait, that's crazy. I'm so excited about that. Okay, you guys, it is so fun. It's so freaking fun and cute. Okay, I'm gonna go look in the mirror and I'm gonna drop the camera so you guys can see it in its full length. Also, I'm sorry, I've been blurry. I've been blurry in that entire clip. My apologies. Wait, okay, now you guys can see, since we're not blurry, you can see the jacket, you can see the fuzziness of the cheetah. It's a really soft, worn-in denim. There is nothing that I dislike more than like a stiff, hard denim. I don't like stiff materials. It needs to be like soft and like mushy, you know what I mean? So this jacket is so nice. Let me drop the camera. So now you guys can see the jacket in its full length. I stand by the fact that I think it looks a little weird with this current outfit, but I would never wear it with this current outfit. It's a little much. A little too much with what we're wearing right now. But it's so cute and it's like surprisingly thick and warm. For it being a jean jacket, this cheetah on the inside is really nice. Like it is nice and thick. It's like the perfect amount of oversized. I could wear a really thick sweatshirt under here, like something thicker than this, and it would fit, and it's not too oversized. Like that other LaLa Land jacket was so oversized, you guys, it looked silly. It looked silly. It like went down to almost my knees. I just looked like a toddler wearing a large adult's coat. It looked so silly to me, in my opinion. It would look better, I think, if I were like taller and broader. I think that jacket would have looked fantastic. So for my tall girlies, highly recommend that camo jacket. I think it would look stunning on you. I just feel like I'm too short. It like shrunk me and made me look like just like a little child, like a small little child. So this fits, it's so cozy. Matt and I are gonna go grocery shopping today, and I'm gonna wear this jacket to the grocery store. So yeah, I'm gonna style this jacket to wear it out to go get my groceries. Honestly, might have Matt take pictures of me in the grocery store. Maybe we do like a fun little mini Wegmans photo shoot. Maybe. But yeah, wanted to show you guys the second jacket because it came in. I'm so excited about it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this LaLa Land haul, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, also, since I tend to do this, perfect timing, new nails, chocolate brown nails. I'm obsessed. They're perfect for fall, and they're honestly perfect with my new jacket. They literally match. They go with the vibes perfectly. So yeah, here are our new nails, and I'll see you guys in the next one.